Okay guys, you can sell here. Dito yung sell natin yan. Dito. Bumaba agad. 10 pips, 10 pips. Come on, gold. Waterfall. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Yun. Okay, we're now down by 20 pips. Waterfall. Let's go, gold. So, we are now at 50 pips, 55 pips. What a nice trade. Still going down, guys. Still going down. 70 pips right now, guys. 70 pips. Walang drawdown yan, guys, ha? 70 pips. We are now at 80 pips. Pinaulan na naman po tayo ng TP ng ating wizard. 80 pips, guys. 80 pips, no drawdown. It's a sniper entry. Congrats, what an amazing trade. Congrats, everyone. I got $86 from that trade. Sa ating mga kasama sa community. Gaano kaganda yung ating live trading sessions every single day. $15, $56, makapag-trade habang nasa parking. Good job, good job. We waited for this setup, guys, diba? Halos ang oras tayo nag-antay sa setup na to. Okay, pero it's worth it. Tama? Patience is the key. Kasi kung dito tayo nag-sell sa baba, iwan tayo. Diba? SL sana tayo. So, we waited for this level. Medyo matagal siya dumating, pero right now, we are at 90 pips. Grabe, 105 pips during live. Amazing. Grabe namang sniper entry naman yan. Thank you, Lord. 150 pips. 170 pips during our live gold scalping with the team. Live na live yan, guys, ha. Kitang-kita nyo kung saan tayo nag-entry at lahat ay nakasabay. Patience is the key sa mga setup natin. Hindi pwedeng nagmamadali tayo. Diba yung mga entries natin, naantay talaga natin yung mga key levels at doon tayo nagtitrade para at least lesser chance yung mistakes. Kung ma-SL man tayo, okay lang naman kasi it's normal, no? Pero so far, win streak tayo, guys, no? Sa mga live trade natin.